Well, hello everyone, welcome to another interesting episode of Curious Ratio. So आज के इस एपिसोड में हम एक और इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक के बारे में बात करेंगे, which is connection of sunlight with the human chakra, or you can say the human aura. So without any further ado, let's just get right on to it. So if you are visiting this channel for the very first time, I would like you to hit that subscribe button and that bell icon because I don't want you to miss out on all of the awesome content that I am publishing. So let's start. So in this particular video, I will trying to find that connection between the sunlight and the human aura, or you can say chakras. So how does it exactly start and how exactly it came onto my mind? So I will try to explain that in my video. So let's take sunlight for example. So in the sunlight, the spectrum is of seven colors actually, which is violet, indigo, blue, yellow, orange, red. So similarly, you must have also heard about that there are 7 chakras in our body as well. And you know what? Those 7 chakras are also defined with the same color scheme, with the same color spectrum like the sunlight. Similarly, from violet to red. अगर हम लोग एक बहुत ही बेसिक लैंग्वेज में अगर ऑरा को समझने की कोशिश करते हैं ना, सो व्हाट इज ऑरा? यू नो, अगर हमने साइंस में थोड़ा बहुत पढ़ते हैं ना अगर, तो उसमें एक टर्म आता है रेडिएशन. सो बेसिकली ये एक फैक्ट है कि इस पृथ्वी पे, इस अर्थ पे जितनी भी ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं ना, वो सब कुछ ना कुछ एमिट करते हैं, कुछ ना कुछ रेडिएट करते हैं, एक पार्ट ऑफ एनर्जी रेडिएट करते हैं. ठीक है. सो फॉर एग्जांपल मैं भी हूँ यहाँ पे, मैं खड़ा हुआ हूँ, मैं एक एनर्जी रेडिएट कर रहा हूँ अपने अंदर से. सिमिलरली आपके आसपास टेबल, चेयर, सोफ़ा, बेड, एनीथिंग, कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट होता है ना, वो कुछ ना कुछ एक रेडिएशन एमिट करता रहता है. तो सिमिलरली जो ऑरा होता है ना, ऑरा ही वो एक टाइप ऑफ रेडिएशन होता है जो हमारी बॉडी एमिट करती है. तो यहाँ पे एक इंटरेस्टिंग बात ये है कि जैसे सन जैसे एक ऑब्जेक्ट है, जैसे खूब सारे स्टार्स हैं पूरे हमारे ब्रह्मांड में, ठीक है, वो भी तो एनर्जी रेडिएट करते हैं ना. तो एंड जैसे सन जैसे हमारा एनर्जी रेडिएट करता है, जिससे हमें सनलाइट मिलती है, जो एनर्जी सोर्स है पूरा इस अर्थ का, तो उस रेडिएशन से भी जो एनर्जी आती है वो हम सब लोग यूज़ करते हैं. बट पॉइंट इज़ कि वो जो एनर्जी आती है, वो जो रेडिएशन है, वो हमारा टोटल 7 स्पेक्ट्रम में डिवाइड होता है, विच इज़ वेबग्योर. तो सिमिलरली अगर हम अपने आप को अगर ऑरा के थ्रू अगर विजुअलाइज करते हैं ना, तो हमारी जो ऑरा है वो भी लाइट एमिट करती है उन 7 फॉर्म्स में, उन 7 कलर्स में. सी, बिफोर यू से दैट ऑल दिस ऑरा एंड दिस चक्र, all of this is pseudoscience and it actually does not exist. So my friend, you are mistaken, because these particular things, they are now scientifically proven. It is scientifically proven that these are all electrophysiological in nature. And to further support my statement, I would like you to bring a topic which actually supports this whole theory. So the topic that I am going to talk about is Kirlian photography. So this is a type of photography which can actually depict and capture aura. Yes, you heard that right. So this whole phenomena of Kirlian photography was actually discovered by Semyon Kirlian in 1939 accidentally. So here we are. With the help of Kirlian photography, we can actually capture all of these images. We can actually visualize and see that the aura is actually emitted by all of the objects in this particular universe. Yes, you heard that right. So if you want to know more about this, this theory, I would like you to, research more on Google about it. So they also did this particular experiment also. So first they kind of filmed a whole leaf, and they just captured that the leaf was actually emitting amount of radiation from all of its sides. Then what they did, they plucked the leaf in half. Okay, they tear it in half. Then eventually they could actually observe that the intensity of the leaf was actually coming down. The intensity of the radiation that it was giving, it was actually coming down. And this is also kind of explainable because since we tear that, that leaf, its properties started to vanish, it started dying even more. The moment I got into this particular theory, it fascinated me so much. The whole goal of this video is to open your perception, is to make a change in your mind so that you are open to new things that actually can be possible. So the whole goal of this video was to actually make a connection between the sunlight and us. In many scriptures it is written, that we are a form of light. So in actual terms, this can be justified because sunlight also emits light, which is in 7 spectrum, and us humans also, and all of these objects, they also radiate an energy, and those can be captured in 7 spectrums as well. I hope you liked today's video, and if there's any more interesting topic that you would like me to discuss, don't shy to comment down in the comment below. Till then, bye bye.